According to Acumen Research and Consulting, the global electric glider market was valued at USD 1,578 million in 2021 and is projected to grow to USD 10,916 million by 2030, expanding at a CAGR of 24.5% from 2022 to 2030. Gliding has gained significant popularity worldwide, driving the development of new glider models. As technology and materials have advanced, the latest generation of lightweight, thin electric gliders is gradually replacing traditional wood and fabric motor gliders. Electric engines are becoming more common, offering a crucial environmental benefit by reducing emissions while also lowering operational costs. Moreover, electric-powered gliders are increasingly favored for their convenience, rapid takeoff, and daily use in leisure activities. These gliders are more reliable due to the absence of filters, pumps, and carburetors, and they operate smoothly without vibrations, making them ready for immediate use. The rising cost of conventional fuels and the growing demand for more affordable alternatives, fueled by the limited availability of traditional energy sources, are key drivers of the electric glider market's growth. The electric glider market is soaring to new heights, driven by advancements in battery technology and a growing demand for sustainable aviation. Imagine gliding silently through the skies, powered by clean energy. These innovative aircraft offer impressive range and efficiency, making them ideal for both recreational pilots and commercial applications. Major players are investing heavily, with new models emerging that boast longer flight times and enhanced performance. As regulations evolve to support electric aviation, we're witnessing a shift in how we think about air travel. The future is bright for electric gliders, promising a blend of eco-friendliness and exhilarating flight experiences. The sky is truly the limit. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe for more updates related to the aviation industry.